Hello, and welcome to this third video in my series of time-lapse LEGO builds. I'm Kia, and this is the cargo train set number 60198, which was a Christmas present from my lovely wife. This is the first part of the build featuring the forklift truck, security van, and the locomotive. I live streamed the building of this set, so if there are any parts you'd like to see in more detail and at a much slower pace, you should find a link in the description to the recordings of those sessions. Thanks for watching. Since you're still around to hear this, you probably enjoyed the video. So hit that like button, subscribe for more similar content, and share this video with someone you think would enjoy it too. And if you have ideas for sets you'd like to see me build in the future, or ways I can improve my videos, let me know in the comments.